How to download, install, and activate Microsoft Office. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for Microsoft Office. Here you can see the application. So I have already installed the application and I have an update available over here. So you can just tap on update and you can just update the application to its latest version. After that, what you can simply do is launch the Microsoft Office application over here. As you do that, it will land you to its official homepage over here. So the homepage looks like this. Now you have to sign in with your email or your phone, and if you do not have an account, you can just create one for free. So I'm going to tap on sign in with email or phone, and it will start looking for accounts over here. So I just have to select an account options over here, and here I've already logged into my account. Now this is how you can download, install, and activate your Microsoft Office. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.